At ito na po ang ating opening tip. Si Tolabot at saka si Corpus. Ang bola makukuha dito kay Cruz. Si Islit. Iyong Lakawan versus Leyte, Pilipinas. Yung ating last game for today. 3-point attempt from Perpetual Help. That's good. Galing kay Cruz. Alvero. Babalik kay Ayon. Ayon pinilit. Mawawalang bola sa kanya. Eto, fast break play. Now it's Orgo for that easy twinner. 4-0 is our score. Umikot si Corpus. Malakas ang kanyang jumper. Ang bola makukuha ng Sakmatic. Left-handed shot. That's good. First basket. Goes to Slit. Slit. Nakita ng puwang. Didiretso. Kick out. Orgo. Nothing but the bottom of the net. That a 3-point basket from the corner for Orgo. Offensive foul pala yun. Kaya lang ibinigay sa Sakmatic. Kanina. Mayroon nakakuha ng puwang si Cruz. Nice find. Mag-i-inbound dito ang Sakmatic. Lira. Now it's Alvero. Corpus. May tinuturo si Corpus. Di pa rin makaporma itong si Corpus. Tumikaada sa 3. Corpus! That's 3-point shot. Galing dito kay Felix Corpus. 10-5 ang ating score. Nagmamadali sa Islit. Diretso yan. Wow! Barreling his way to the cup. Itong kanilang slasher. Itong si Islit. Free throw. Will miss. Loose ball. Makukuha dito ng Sakmatic. Ayon is on the run. Behind the back pass. Corpus pumurma sa 3. Walang tinamaan doon. Offensive rebound for Alvero. Corpus. Step back J. No. High up for the rebound is Pizarro. A loose ball. Recovered by Pizarro. Keeping it alive. Here's Alcantara. There's a drive by Perpetual and makes the shot. Ito ngayon. Kick out. Casinillo going to his left. Fakes. 3-point attempt. No. Makuha pa rin ang Perpetual ang bola. That is Alcantara. Outside to Doremdes. Doremdes on the shaded lane. Hand out to Pizarro. Hindi nga lang. Nag-miss. Ang ganda ng play na yon. Here's Rijang. 3-point shot by Codillo. Trying to extricate himself. Magical shot by Severiano. Severiano. Nakuha ang bola. Ang Severiano will score on that second chance point. This is your Marti Cup 2025 Battle of Champions live from the Tacloban City Astrodome. Codillo with a 3-point shot. Nangihingi ng last touch ng Perpetual ang si Coach Wilmar Candido. Pero ayun, umapak naman sa linya yung number 25. Sabi ni Coach Olsen sa kanyang bata, huwag ka nang magreklamo. Kanina ka pa nagreklamo. Dinig na dinig natin dito dahil katabi ko yung bench ng Perpetual. Corpus. Inbound. Wala ang tira ni Rijang. Sayang yon. Limit has it. Ito ngayon, si Gibao. Babalik kay Gibao. Libre sa 3. On the way. It's ringless. 3-point shot by Gibao. Looking for open teammates. Here's Goho Cruz. Lalabas si Pagulayan. Popping out. Making the 3. That's Pagulayan. Ang ganda ng screen. Naghahanap ng screen. Corpus proving. Corpus nasapalan. Makukuha ng Perpetual ang bola. Now it's Gibao. Pagulayan will take a 3 once again. And he will make again another. Orgo stops his dribble. Halos maagawan doon ang kapapasok pa lang na Perpetual. Libre sa ilalim si Nunez. Nice find. Nunez po poste. Looking for an open man. May umikot. Pagulayan libre sa 3. On the way. Yes, sir! Iikot si Corpus. No count. Sabi ng referee. Babalik kay Nunez. Open si Casinillo. Hindi nakita. Gibao ang titira sa 3. On the way. In and out. Nunez na naman para sa rebound. Ginugulo. Nunez fakes. Fires. Makes the shot. Nakuha sa tiyaga ni Nunez. Rijang. Codillo. Ayon is free. Open lane for Ayon and he makes the layup. Here's Ayon. Binabantayan ni Casinillo. Ayon tumawid ng midcourt. Casinillo hinahabol siya. Si may hook shot galing kay Lira. Converting dribblers. Ayon pipilitin, binitbit, ilalabas, kick out, Codillo. Good line. It's a 3-point basket. Tulabot. May pumoposte sa ilalim, matatapikan, makukuha ni Ayon. Ayon rushing things. Binangga ang kanyang defender. Veteran move by Ayon. Boral. Slicing the middle. It's a miss. Ayon. Twisting in midair. Tremendous body control by Ayon. Again, Ayon scores. Boral ang susubok. Wow, walang humarang kay Boral. Loyola. Long pass. Codillo will fire a corner three. Codillo will convert a 3-point shot. Nag-cut in, hindi pinasahan. Tulabot. Bounce pass. The layup is good. That was a kick and roll play between Tulabot. Ito kayo ng Sakmatic. Codillo, napakalayong tres yun. Kamuntik na. A loose ball. Tapikan ng bola. Makukuha ng Perpetual. Nagmamadali sa Islit. Tetekada yan. It's again another and one play for Perpetual. This time, it's Islit. There's Islit. The free throw, wala. Pero nakuha pa rin yung bola. Power move. That was a 4-point play in reverse para dito kay Islit. Makukuha naman ang bola. Islit very active. Alcantara fakes. Alcantara fires. He will be fouled while going up. Dalawang free throw para kay Alcantara. That's 2 for 2 for Alcantara. Cristino. Militante has it. 3-point attempt. Yes, sir! Galing dito kay Alvero. Casinillo. Libre. Si Duremdes. 3-point shot. Ayon. There's Codillo. Baseline shot by Codillo. That's good for Codillo. Kick out na sa ilalim. Ipinunta sa reverse. Wala. Pero napunta pa rin sa Perpetual ang bola. Inikot nila. 3-point attempt. Bang! Galing dito sa number 8. Ayon, he has to make the shot. Drop pass on the last second. Nice find.
Shot clock 10. Five shot clock. Three points.
Saan siya pupunta? Napayungan. Team drop shot by JP. 26 ang abante. Tapikan. Makukuha dito. Limit nag-iisa. Limit this time. He will make it sure. Kinulang na naman. Parehas kanina. 3 beses na yan. Si Ayon, si Serbiliano, si Limit. Parang hindi ata naghapunan ang mga batang ito. Militante, 3-point attempt by Militante, short. Makukuha ni Orgo ang long rebound. Forward to Gibao. Gibao will sky high for that lay-in. Finger roll by Gibao. At Tarpaulin Printing, punta po kayo sa Print Options Tacloban. Along Real, corner Sampaguita, Tacloban City, Print Options. Mayroong 3-point shot. 31 na ang kalamangan dito. Corpus. Corner shot, gagante. Lucky bounce for Corpus. That was a 3-point basket. Babalik na naman. Nasa labas pa rin si Islit. Nagbaba ni Obra. Iiwan ang bola. 3-point attempt. Wow. Back-to-back 3-point bombs galing kay Gibao. Swings it to Alcantara. Islit. Tumikada si Borals. Mula sa tres. Stops his dribble. Corpus, Starting his move, fadeaway shot. That's good for Felix Corpuz. Mayor Raymond, Ayon, binit-bit. Wild shot by Ayon. A loose ball. Pick up by Perpetual. It's Alcantara on the run. Hand out to Boral. However, Alcantara will commit a traveling of this game. Ayon, pumoposte si Corpus. Corpus, tumira na naman. Corpus with back-to-back stabs. Alcantara nagbabantay sa kanya. Corpus na naman. This time he will miss. Rebound to Remdes. Nangunguna si Boral sa takbuhan. Easy layup na naman para sa Perpetual Altas. Casinilla mag-i-inbound. Looking for an open man outside to Duremdes. Open shot for Pagulayan. Corner 3. Right on the money. Pushing it over to Orgo. Back to Pagulayan. Pagulayan will take a 3. Pagulayan once again converting from the Rainbow Country. Swings it to Pagulayan. Faking a 3. Balik kay Orgo. Orgo. 3-point attempt. No. Rebound play. High up for the rebound. Gibao. Hindi makawala. Loose ball. Makakaagawang Perpetual. An interception by Codillo on that pass. Number 55 inside. Limit with that layup. Babalik niya kay Orgo. Orgo goes to his right. Bullet pass. Elsano. No look pass to Pizarro for that under goal stab. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Libre. 3-point shot. That's Gibao from the right corner. The visitors from the NCAA League. A huge win over Zach Matic. Nagkamayan na po ang mga players.